Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And after today's price movement, once again, a lot of eyeballs still on this. Not as much volume, but given yesterday on Thursday was the 4th of July, a whole lot of people took off today from the markets. So still impressive amount of volume given that the overall kind of calendar context of things. So let's do a couple updates here. The first level is not really an update, but this 16-cent mark still does carry a whole lot of weight and is still very important. I'm not going to go through all that. If you're curious why 16 cents is so important, you can just go back in the video archives and watch that. But what's happened after today is that this level up here, right around 21 cents, seems to be the new pretty well-established area. You can see a couple times this morning, the price did pull back, and the bulls did a great job of holding strong there. And then after that, the price never ever hit it again. Now, don't get me wrong, though. 21 cents is not a must-hold level or anything, so it's not like if the price falls below there, that somehow means the chart is epically destroyed or anything. That's more of the preferable level, meaning if the price can continue to stay up above 21, that would be a big sign of power going forward. But again, by no means is it some sort of required level or anything like that. You also will want to keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 18 cents, but keyword moving. So as next week plays out, that value is going to change because that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. And then also, again, you have 16 cents. So basically, those are the three key areas of support: 21, the 50-period moving average, and then 16. Now, on the flip side of things, let's talk about some areas of resistance. First key level of resistance be right there, which is essentially the top portion of this channel that formed all afternoon long, and that's right there at 24 cents. If the bulls can push up through 24, next key level of resistance after that, right up there at 26 cents. So 24, 26, two of the near-term levels. If the price can get up above 26, then, while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price potentially get up to 29 cents, if not even higher at that point. All in all, though, like I said, given the calendar context of things, sure, the price didn't necessarily explode higher in regards to new highs or anything like that, but just to see the price maintain those gains and not all of a sudden crash or anything was a nice little sign of strength. So looking like next week will be pretty interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.